In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 ways to sell digital products quickly with an affiliate link, or you can buy them and turn them into profit. Anyway, let's get straight into the video. Create a sense of urgency. Provide a limited time discount or a special bonus to customers who buy within a certain time frame. Create a sense of urgency to persuade potential customers to act and make a purchase. Offering a limited time discount or a special bonus to those who purchase within a certain time frame is one effective tactic for creating this urgency. Setting a deadline for the discount or bonus offer instills a sense of urgency in customers, encouraging them to act quickly. This is especially effective for digital products as customers can frequently purchase them and immediately access them. Make it clear that the offer is only available for a limited time to make this strategy work. This can be accomplished through prominent messaging on your website or in marketing materials such as emails and social media posts. Use phrases like limited time only or last chance to emphasize the offer's urgency. Consider including a significant discount or bonus to make the offer more appealing. You could, for example, offer a 25% discount on the product's price or include a bonus ebook or webinar for those who purchase within a certain time frame. Customers will strongly be encouraged to act quickly as a result of this. A clear end date for the offer, such as offer expires on, and this creates a deadline for customers to take advantage of the discount or bonus and helps to create a sense of urgency. To maximize the impact, consider promoting the limited time offer across multiple channels such as email, social media, and targeted advertising. By reaching customers across multiple touchpoints, you can increase the visibility of the offer and encourage more sales. Overall, offering a limited time discount or a special bonus is a powerful way to create a sense of urgency and drive sales for digital products. By clearly communicating the time-limited nature of the offer and promoting it across multiple channels, you can motivate potential customers to act quickly and make a purchase. Utilize social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to promote your digital products to a larger audience. Social media has become an indispensable tool for businesses to promote their products, and digital products are no exception. To sell your digital products fast, you need to leverage social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Social media platforms allow you to reach a wider audience, engage with potential customers, and promote your products. To effectively leverage social media, you need to create social media accounts for your business and actively leverage social media. You need to create social media accounts for your business and actively post updates and promotions about your digital products. You can also use paid advertising on social media platforms to target specific audiences based on interests, demographics, and location. By doing so, you can maximize the reach of your promotions and get your products in front of more potential customers. One effective way to use social media to create a sense of urgency is by running behind limited time offers or promotions exclusively for your social media followers. This can be a discount or a special bonus for those who purchase your digital products within a certain time frame. You can also use social media to build a community around your digital products by sharing user-generated content, encouraging reviews and feedback, and engaging with your followers. Another effective way to leverage social media is to collaborate with influencers or bloggers in your niche. By partnering with influencers or bloggers who have a large following in your target audience, you can get your digital products in front of a wider audience and gain more credibility and trust with potential customers. Overall, leveraging social media is a crucial component of any successful digital product marketing strategy. By actively promoting your products on social media platforms and creating a sense of urgency, you can attract more customers, increase sales, and grow your business. Build an email list. Email marketing is a powerful tool to reach potential customers directly. Offer an incentive to sign up, such as a free ebook or a discount code. Building an email list is a great way to market your digital products to potential customers directly. By collecting email addresses from interested parties, you can create a targeted list of people who are more likely to purchase your products. To entice people to sign up for your email list, it's important to offer an incentive. This can be in the form of a free ebook or a discount code that can be used towards the purchase of your digital products. Offering something of value in exchange for an email address will increase the likelihood that people would sign up for your list. Once you have a list of subscribers, it's important to send regular emails to keep the audience engaged. This can include updates on products or services, promotions, and other relevant information that your subscribers may find useful. When crafting your emails, be sure to keep the content informative and engaging. Avoid making them too salesy, as this can turn off potential customers. Instead, focus on providing value and build a relationship with your subscribers. To maximize the effectiveness of your email marketing campaigns, it's important to segment your list. This involves dividing your email list into different groups based on specific criteria, such as demographics or past purchase behavior. By sending targeted messages to each group, you can increase the relevance of your emails and improve the chances of making a sale. In addition to offering incentives and segmenting your list, it's important to adhere to email marketing best practices. This includes obtaining consent from subscribers, providing an easy way to unsubscribe, and avoiding spammy tactics such as purchasing email lists or sending unsolicited emails. Overall, building an email list can be a powerful tool for selling digital products. By offering incentives, providing valuable content, and adhering to best practices, you can build a targeted list of subscribers who are more likely to purchase your products and become loyal customers. Collaborate with influencers. Reach out to influencers in your niche and offer them a copy of your digital product in exchange for a review or shout-out. Collaborating with influencers can be a highly effective way to promote your digital products and reach a wider audience. Influencers are individuals who have a large following on social media and who are able to influence the purchasing decisions of their followers. By partnering with influencers in your niche, you can tap into their audience and generate buzz for your digital products. To collaborate with influencers, start by researching individuals in your niche who have a significant following on social media. Look for influencers who have a strong engagement rate with their followers, as this is a good indicator of their influence. You can also use influencer marketing platforms like influencer.co, Upfluence, or Clear to find influencers in your niche. Once you've identified a few potential influencers, reach out to them with a personalized message. Introduce yourself and your digital product and offer to provide them with a free copy in exchange for a review or shout out on their social media channels. You can also offer to compensate them for their time and effort. When collaborating, it's important to be transparent about your relationship. Disclose that you have provided them with a free product or compensation and ensure that their review or shout out is honest and authentic. This will help them to build trust with their audience and establish credibility for your digital product. In addition to collaborating with individual influencers, you can also partner with influencer marketing agencies. These agencies have a network of influencers in various niches and can help to connect you with the right influencers for your digital product. In summary, collaborating with influencers can be a highly effective way to promote your digital products and reach a wider audience. By partnering with influencers in your niche, you can tap into their audience and generate buzz for your products. Just remember to be transparent about your relationship and ensure that their review or shout out is honest and authentic. Offer a money-back guarantee. Give customers peace of mind by offering a risk-free guarantee. This can increase confidence in purchasing your digital products. Offering a money-back guarantee can be a powerful tool to increase sales and build trust with potential customers. By offering a risk-free purchase, you show confidence in the quality of your digital product and provide reassurance to customers that they can purchase with confidence. One of the primary benefits of a money-back guarantee is that it reduces the perceived risk of the purchase. Many potential customers may be hesitant to buy a digital product, especially if they're not familiar with your brand or have never purchased from you before. By offering a guarantee, you show that you stand behind your product. When offering a money-back guarantee, it's important to be clear about the terms and conditions. Clearly state the length of the guarantee period as well as any limitations or exclusions. This will help manage customer expectations and ensure that they understand what is and is not covered by the guarantee. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Have a good day.